Newest Cyma X20 Mini Pocket Drone Headless Mode 2.4 GHz Nano LED RC Quadcopter Altitude Hold Wide. This fits your. Enter your model number to make sure this fits. 6-axis gyro quad rotorcraft flight, strong stability, can easily implement various flight movements, stronger wind resistance, easier to control. Headless mode makes easier flight. Once the fuselage direction cannot be recognized, it can enter headless mode so as to continue the flight. 1 key takeoff, landing, 1 press automatically taking off a landing. RC quadcopter will take off and go back to the position where it took off. Cyma X20 Mini Drone is the newest drone upgraded with multi-features, more stable and more suitable for kids and novice users. With headless mode, no need to adjust the position of aircraft before flying, and altitude hold mode can set height. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below now.